Good morning students. Welcome to the class of maths and we are going to learn chapter 2 number book. We already done 3 digit and 4 digit number names in last lecture, and in this lecture we are going to study about ascending order and the descending order. This is a part 2 of number book. Let's start with the ascending order. What do you mean by a ascending order? Ascending order means increasing orders, means ascending orders. It means increase in numbers. For example, if I will write, I will start with the small numbers first. See here. If I will write 43, 54 and 23 and 17, just like these 4 numbers are there. Then we have to arrange this number in increasing manner. So how will we write? Increasing means we have to write the smaller number first. सबसे छोटा नंबर जो होता है उसको हम लोग सबसे पहले लिखते हैं. तो सबसे पहले छोटा नंबर इसमें से कौन सा है? That वो तो आपको find out करना है. You have to find out the smallest number in these numbers. Here 43, 54, 23 and 17. You know it very well. 17 is the smallest number in these all numbers. Then how will you write this? Firstly, we will write 17. Now increase in numbers से बड़ा वाला नंबर अपने को देखना है. 17 से बड़ा कौन सा है? यहाँ पे देखो तीनों नंबर 17 से बड़े हैं, लेकिन 17 के बाद कौन सा नंबर बड़े में आता है? तो 23. So we will write here 23. After that, after 23, two numbers are there, 43 and 54. So we will write the smallest number in this first, that is 43, and then we will write 54. Means you can see like this, step by step. Firstly, when you say the numbers from 1 to 100, how will you say? Firstly, you go for 17, after that 23 comes, after that 43 comes, and 54 is the last one. So our answer is right. Now same here, we will do decreasing numbers or descending orders with the same number. See here, descending order, decreasing numbers means we have to do opposite of these numbers. Like here you can say here we have found the smallest number and we have to write here in this biggest number first. सबसे बड़ा नंबर जो है उसको सबसे पहले लिखना है. तो which is the biggest number? You can see here in this 54 is the biggest number. So we will write here 54 first. After that 43. After that 23. And last one is a 17. Means you have to do opposite of ascending order while doing descending order. जब हम लोग descending order लिखने जाते हैं तो ascending order का पूरा opposite लिखना है. जिसे आप लोग यहाँ पे टैली करोगे, देखो यहाँ पे अगर मैं पीछे से जाऊंगी तो descending order हो जाएगा, आगे से जाऊंगी तो ascending order हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे देखो 54, we have written 54. After that 43, here 43, here 23, 23, and 17 is the last. Just like that, if I will go opposite of descending for the ascending, you just see here 17, I have wrote 17 here. After that 23, 23, 43, 43, and 54, 54. Means students, you have to remember all the things while doing ascending and descending orders. Means you should know the numbers first. पहले आपको numbers को जानना होगा. फर्स्ट 1 से लेके 100 तक के नंबर्स में कौन सा नंबर पहले आता है, कौन सा नंबर बाद में आता है, that you should know. And when you don't know the numbers, you can't do this exercises. So we will do some of the sums regarding this. Now you see here, I have made one table here. Here, solve the following. Here I have written numbers. There are many numbers are there, and then we have to put them in a ascending order and descending order. See here, I have written 3-digit numbers here. The first number is 654, 628, 482, 387. The simplest way means you have to see the first digit, means first digit you have to see first. Here, underline this. If you can see, here 3 is the smallest number out of all the things. So we will write, while doing ascending order, what we are doing, smallest number we are taking first, right? So in this we will write the same. See here, firstly we will write 387. After that, after 3, 4. See, 482. And after that, you can see this both digits are the same, 6, 6. Then we will move on to the next digit. See here, 5 and 2. Which is the smallest number first? Yes, 2 is the smallest and 5 is a bigger number. So we will write this one first. 628 and 654. Just like this we have to do the descending order. While doing descending order, what we have to do? Firstly, we will write the highest number, bigger number. Here we have written 654 first, biggest number. We write 654 first. After that 628. Then 482 and 387. So we have done ascending order as well as the descending order. Now see the second one. Again we will see the first number, first digit, 7, 3, 2, 1. Then which is the smallest number, we will write first 116, then 2, 210, then 3, 335, and then 783. And again for the descending we will go from the back side. That is a bigger number, 783. After that 335. After that 210 and 116. Now next one. Again 5, 4, 7, 8. Firstly, which number is the smallest number? 4. So 491. Then 597. And then 789 and 838. Then descending order, same things we will do. 838, 789, 597 and 491. Again we will move on to the 4-digit number now. 4-digit number देखेंगे तो उसमें भी पहले हम लोग को क्या करना है, सबसे पहला डिजिट जो है उसको पहले अंडरलाइन करके देखना है कि which number it is. See here, 2, 1 and 5. So which is the smallest number? 1. So we will write that first. 1963. After that 2, 2648, and then 5, 5999. And for the descending order we will go back from back side. Bigger number 5999, then 2648, and the smallest number 1963. Again here you can see first digit is clearly mentioned. See here, firstly we are going for the smallest one, 1000. After that 3 3,949 and then 9,547. Let's move on to the same things. 9,547, then 3,949, and the smallest number is 1,000. Then see here. Here first digit is same 6666. Now what we will do? We will move on to the next number. मैंने आपको पहले बताया next number पे जाना है तुरंत ही. See the next number here. 8, 4 and 5. Which number is the smallest? 4 is the smallest. So we will write here 6404. Then 5, 6539 and 6889. Then we will do the same procedure again. Biggest number we will write first 6889, 6539 and 6404. Next here you can see here it is 8,000, here 700 and 1,000. If we will go with the 1,000 then 1,000 is the smallest number, but 700, 1,000 is bigger and 100 is the smaller. आपको मालूम है 100 छोटा रहता है और 1,000 से बड़ा रहता है. तो सबसे पहले सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 700. So we will write here 700 and after that you can see in this both number 1 is the smallest number, so we will go for 1,000 and then 8,000. And again for the decreasing order we will write the bigger number first 8,000, 1,000 and 700. Okay children, now next one is 9019, 9100, 9150. It is little bit confusing. This type of digits are coming by doing this while solving this type of ascending order or descending order. So firstly we will see the first one. It is same 9. Then 0, 1, 1. Firstly we will go for 0 because it is small. Then we will write first 9019 here. After that here you can see 1 भी यहाँ पे सेम है. देखो यहाँ पे आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. इधर भी 1 है, इधर भी 1 है. Then we will move on to the next. See here 0 and 5. So which number is there? 0 is the small number. So 9100 and 9150. Then we will write again bigger number 9150, 9100, 9019. Next again it's like 444. We will move on to the next number 786. Right, we will go with this. See here 463, then 473 and 483. We will put it in a decreasing order now. Biggest number 483, 473 and 463. Now last number, see here. Again we will do the underlines 1, 2 and 6. It's very easy. So we will write the same numbers in this order only. Because firstly the 1 is there, then 2 and the 6. See here 1949, 23, 43, 6849. We will go with the decreasing order 6849, then 2343 and 1949. So children, I think all of you understood what we mean by ascending order and the descending orders. In ascending orders, you have to write the numbers in increasing order, and in descending order, you have to write the numbers in decreasing orders. Means अगर आपके पास descending order है already, तो उसको ascending में करने के लिए उसका opposite कर दो. वैसे ही ascending अगर orders है तो आपके पास उसको descending करने के लिए इसका opposite आप कर सकते हो. जैसे मैंने बताया है, पहले जितने भी नंबर्स ये हैं उसके जो फर्स्ट डिजिट है उसको पहले अंडरलाइन करते जाओ और उसमें देखते जाओ कि सबसे स्मॉल नंबर कौन सा है और बिग नंबर कौन सा है. अगर दोनों नंबर सेम आते हैं, जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को इसमें कुछ बताया है कि 666 आए, तो उसके बाद वाला जो नंबर है उसको आप अंडरलाइन करो और उसमें से जो नंबर आता है उसी में से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग नंबर्स हम लोग को सॉल्व करते हैं. So we have studied about ascending and descending orders in this video. In next video we are going to see greatest number and the smallest numbers, because the greatest number and the smallest number is almost based on ascending orders. So I taught you ascending and descending orders first. So children, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Thank you so much. We will meet in our next lecture.